Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'll be teaching you how to create an eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube video using Canva in 6 steps. In 6 steps you'll be able to create a professional thumbnail for your video that will 10x or 20x your views in the next coming days. You'll be able to increase your views massively in the next coming days. So if you're just watching my video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button, so that when I drop a video like this, you get notified and you get to watch it. So what I think is you need to create an account to create a professional thumbnail for your video. The very first thing you need is you need a Canva account. You need a Canva account, and you need a Canva Pro account, or you can use ordinary Canva account to create as well. Again, the second thing you need is a computer. You need a computer to carry out your designs, and if you don't have a computer, you can do it on your mobile phone as well. You can do it on your mobile phone as well. You can carry out the design on your mobile phone as well. So the third thing you need is an internet connection. To connect a Canva to connect yourself on Canva Pro. So let's get started. So if you don't have a Canva Pro account, I will leave my email in the description below, so you can email me. I'll give you a Canva Pro access for 1 year. I'll give you a Canva Pro access for 1 year for just a token. So I'll drop my email, so you can just mail me. I'll give you the access. So step 1 of step 6, the very first step to create an eye-catching thumbnail for your YouTube video, is log in to your Canva account. Log into your Canva account like this. I've logged into my account like this. And you can just come here for a newbie. You can see YouTube thumbnail, you can see YouTube banner, whiteboard. So you click on YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so click on that. It's loading. So these are thumbnails. These are templates of YouTube thumbnails. These are templates. So step 2 is choose a design that fits the themes of your video. Choose a design that fits the themes of your video. For example, for the purpose of this video, let's create how to let's say how to make money online. Let's create how to make money online. So look for a thumbnail, a template that suits that niche. Okay, let's look for that. Okay, how to make money online. So let's choose this. Okay, just right click, just like right click. Okay, so I've choose this. How to make money online. You can see there's money here, there's someone screaming. So it seems this picture is attractive. So I'm choosing this. Okay, so how to make money online. So I've chosen this. So what's the next thing? The step 3. Add your own image or choose from a Canva library of over 1 million. Canva has a lot of already made pictures for you. If you don't have a picture you want to add, there's a lot of pictures or videos on Canva already for you. So you can just you don't really need to stress yourself. You don't need to stress yourself. Just choose from here and choose. For me, I'm okay with this picture. I'm okay with this picture. But if you want to change it, you can just come here You can import as well. If you want to add your own picture, you want to add your own picture, you can just click on the picture like this. Okay, click on the picture like this and delete. Okay, delete. Or if you want to replace it, you can just click on the picture like this and come here, upload. Click upload. Okay, upload file. Click upload file. Then choose any image from your system. Choose any image that you have saved on your system or on your phone and import it directly to the image. Okay, so but for me, I'm okay with this video. I'm okay with this picture. Sorry, I'm okay with this picture. So I'm okay. So you want to choose, if you don't have as well, if you don't have any picture on your phone, you want to choose, you don't like this video as well too, and you don't have anything on your mobile phone or your system, you can choose another picture. There's plenty of pictures here. There's plenty pictures already made for you on Canva. You can see there's a lot of pictures here. A lot of pictures. You can choose the niche, background, art, money, anything. Let me click on money. You can see. There's money here. There's money. Piggy bank. Okay. Service. So there's a lot. Okay. You can choose pictures from, there's already made picture for you. You can just choose anyone you like here. Just drag it. You can just drag it to the templates. Okay. So I won't be doing much. I'll be using this this picture. I love this picture. Okay. So the step 4. Use the canvas text. Use the canvas text image, so you can edit. Step 4 is edit the image to suit your video topic. Edit the video to suit your video topic. Okay, so let's say my video title is how to make money online. So I'll just double click this one. Okay, I'll double click it and I'll delete it. So then I'll write what I want there. So I'm writing how to make money online. You can see it's extending beyond the other video, the other text is extending beyond the other text. So but don't worry, just come here. Okay, just come here and adjust. If you want to adjust it, if you want to make it bolder, just click on the plus sign. But if you want to reduce it, click on the minus. Click on the minus sign. So to be reducing, click on the minus. Okay, you can see. Can you see that? So as well, you can adjust. You can move it around. You can move it here. You can move it around. So, but I'm okay here. So let's can expand it as well. You can expand this. Okay, you can expand this. Okay, so I make this one bold, so move it up. Okay, just click on the plus button. You can see how to make money online. You can see that. So you can still just play around, very friendly. Click on the plus button to increase it if you still want to increase it. Okay, how to make money online. Okay, so and again, don't write too much text. Don't let text be too much on your thumbnail. Make it very simple. Don't be writing story. Don't be writing story on your thumbnail. Just write a very precise text. The precise text and eye-catching text, precise text, how to make money online. Okay, let's just double click this one to delete it in 2023. Okay, so if you want to make this one bold, it seems you can just highlight it, then click on bold. Okay, click on bold, click on bold. Okay, click on bold. So I'll bold it. How to make money in 2023. How to make money online in 2023. In 2023. Okay, so if you just have anything to do, you can just, for me, this video is ready. This thumbnail is ready for me. This thumbnail is ready. Thumbnail is ready for me. So you can just, if you want to change the background, just click here. Okay, I want to change the background picture, so you can come here, change the background picture. You can see changing it to yellow. You love yellow, you love that, you love black. Okay, I'm going to change it to red, change it to blue, change it. You can play around Canva. Canva is very friendly to create. Okay, change it to white. Okay, you can play around. Okay, so you can play around. Oh, I love this. Since this perfect, it's perfect for me. I love this, so I'll be using this. Okay, so if you still want to change anything, if you want to change the color here, you can just come here and click. Okay, come here and click here, change the color, but I don't want to change the color. I don't want to change the color. Okay, I don't want to change the color. I'm okay with the color. So if you want to change this image, so just click on it like this and come here, choose any picture you want, choose anyone you want, any pictures you want. Money. Let me go to another. Okay, let me go to catch. There's a lot of pictures here. There's a lot of pictures. Lot of pictures. Lot of pictures. You can see there's a lot of pictures. There's lot. Bank. There's lot of pictures that you can choose from. Okay, so for example, let's say I want to choose this. I don't want to choose, but okay, let's just choose this. Let's choose this. Okay, so I'll just, if I want to drag it, let me just click on it here. To click on this arrow, to drag it. So you move it to the particular place you want it, then you drag it. Okay, for me I don't want it, then you drag it here. If it's your picture, that's how you do it. Just drag your pictures here, okay, you can play around with it. For me, I don't want it. Okay, okay, I'm deleting it. So I'm okay. So the next step 5, adjust the size and the position of your element until you are happy with the final design. I think I've played around here. I've designed. You can play around too as well. Play around here, play around, choose any pictures you want, choose your pictures. If I want to upload my pictures, sorry, I want to upload my pictures. I can upload any pictures I have here. You can see I have some pictures here. Let's say I want to use this picture, so I will just drag it here. You can see, I'll just drag it. I'll just drag it here. So it's okay. You can see I'll just drag it. My picture is there, so any picture you want to use, you can put your picture there. So just play around with it, play around. Very easy, very easy, very easy. So step 6, after you design your thumbnail, my thumbnail is ready under 5 minutes. Under 5 minutes I've designed this thumbnail. So after designing it like this, the next thing you want to do, you want to download. So you just go to download your thumbnail. Step 6, download your thumbnail as PNG or JPEG file. PNG or JPEG file are the best file you can download to give you a better picture for your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, for your YouTube thumbnail. So you just go to file like this, go to file, click on file. Okay, click on file, click on download. Okay, click on download here, click on download. Click on download, click on file, sorry, download. You can see suggested PNG, suggested file PNG. So if you want to change it, you just come here, click on JPEG, but for this video I'll be using PNG, best for YouTube thumbnail. That's the best that's the best thing for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so click on download.